There are clearly going to be very big bonuses this year and huge anger about those bonuses. But there's a very great divergence of view between how the public views bonuses, which they don't actually understand that well, and how Wall Street views them. Now, maybe if they understood it at the same level, they'd still disagree. Certainly, you can argue about the total level. Nobody knows what the right answer is for how much Wall Street should pay in total. You know, we're in a capitalist society. People aren't paid based on what they produce of moral value. They're paid based on the market. But it's perfectly reasonable for members of the public to think the total number is too high. I kind of do too, though I have no way of proving that. But there are a lot of other people I think are overpaid too, so it's not just Wall Street. But in terms of how you allocate the money once you decide whatever the total is, the bonus system actually works pretty well for Wall Street for most of what Wall Street does. You can kind of think of Wall Street as two pieces, each within one investment bank. You have a bunch of service industries. You have people who provide advice on mergers and acquisitions, who help people buy and sell stocks and bonds. They do a series of services. And at the end of the year, you know whether you've made money or not for the bank. The bonus system works pretty well for that group because what you do, given that these are individuals who can easily move from firm to firm, is you kind of split the revenue 50-50. And if there's more revenue, they do better. If there's less revenue, they do worse. But the individuals have had a lot to do with how much that revenue is. The problem is the banks also increasingly have these large trading and investment books. These are situations where the traders aren't using their own money, they're using the bank's money. And unfortunately, they're able to put the bank in situations in which most years it's going to work well, and the traders will get paid well for their share in it. But from time to time, it will blow up completely, like what we had over the last couple of years, 07 and 08. In that situation, what you don't want to do is be paying these bonuses based on the short-term profits.